So a little more on the mind-body connection and what this means as we strengthen this connection is that any inadequacy or lack of work that's been done on our psyche and our emotions and on our equanimity development will start to reflect more and more strongly through the rest of the systems. So habits of thought that maybe in the past were relatively inconsequential can start causing physiological types of pains and symptoms far more easily because these things start to connect more strongly. The mind and the body are more connected. So it's not necessarily a good thing, so to speak, from a feeling good all the time perspective. From a perspective of development and growth, it's a very good thing because we can't run away from ourselves. If we're thinking at a certain layer, we can't run away from the fact that that is causing physiological damage in ourselves. It's causing contractions, constraints, cohesions, and we have to encounter that and deal with it. So it can be a wonderful tool for maximizing your potential for growth and dissolution and liberation, because now every little thing gets felt through the entire spectrum of what exists here, through the entire mental field, the astral fields and bodies, the physical and vital fields and bodies. You start to feel every little nuance of the mind reverberating. And this allows us, once again, for fast and quick growth, but we have to be open to doing that work and to letting go of those habits of thought, those habits of judgment, those habits and perspectives that create those cohesions in the first place. Alrighty, hope this was helpful, and thanks for your time. Bye.